Prime Minister Modi's big counter-attack on the Congress. The Prime Minister said, for years, Congress's Shehzada chanted same. 5 industrialists, Ambani, Adani. But since the elections are declared, they've stopped using or abusing Ambani, Adani. Why? I wish to ask the Shehzade of the Congress how much black money have they received from Adani and Ambani? How much has the Congress received from these industrialists for elections?
कांग्रेस के शहजादे पिछले 5 साल से सुबह उठते ही माला जपना शुरू करते थे। 5 साल से एक ही माला जपते थे। 5 उद्योगपति, 5 उद्योगपति, 5 उद्योगपति। फिर धीरे धीरे कहने लगे अंबानी अडानी, अंबानी अडानी, अंबानी अडानी। 5 साल से। लेकिन जब से चुनाव घोषित हुआ है, इन्होंने अंबानी अडानी को गाली देना बंद कर दिया। मैं आज तेलंगाना की धरती से पूछना चाहता हूं, जरा ये शहजादे घोषित करें कि इस चुनाव में ये अंबानी अडानी से कितना माल उठाया है।
Abdul Bashir is getting us more details on that big story. The Prime Minister, in fact, launching a huge attack on the Congress party, saying that the Congress, in fact, is being funded by industrialists, and that's the reason why they are not getting abused this election season.
Well, absolutely. See, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, during his election rally, a huge sabha in Karimnagar, had made the statement where he had called a Shehzade to, implying it to Rahul Gandhi and saying that they had been countering or they had been alleging Ambani and Adani previously. But now why are they not talking about it specifically in Telangana? Because here we've seen that earlier during the Davos event, Revanth Reddy had met Ambani, Adani there and brought in investments from there. So that is the reason, Prime Minister Narendra Modi specifically in Telangana had questioned, why is not the Congress party talking about Ambani and Adani? These investments that were bought by the state of Telangana when Congress was in power, when Revanth Reddy was the chief minister, he visited Davos and had brought in investments from the company. So here is where Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said. Now the Congress is yet to react on this statement by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
All right, be with us, Abdul. Just coming back to you in a moment from now. The Prime Minister essentially has said that why is the Congress, or asked these questions of the Congress, why is it that they're not abusing industrialists like Ambani and Adani like they've always been doing in the last 5 years or so? Is it because their campaign is getting funded by these industrialists? Listen to what the PM said.
ये कांग्रेस के शहजादे पिछले 5 साल से सुबह उठते ही माला जपना शुरू करते थे। 5 साल से एक ही माला जपते थे। 5 उद्योगपति, 5 उद्योगपति, 5 उद्योगपति। फिर धीरे धीरे कहने लगे अंबानी अडानी, अंबानी अडानी, अंबानी अडानी। 5 साल से। लेकिन जब से चुनाव घोषित हुआ है, इन्होंने अंबानी अडानी को गाली देना बंद कर दिया। मैं आज तेलंगाना की धरती से पूछना चाहता हूं, जरा ये शहजादे घोषित करें कि इस चुनाव में ये अंबानी अडानी से कितना माल उठाया है।